Okay, here is the fuselage right next to the mechanics. So we're getting close to it being done. My neighbor's having the roof put on. I don't know if you can hear all the racket going on. It's about ready to start putting it in. All right, so what I'm going to have to do to install the mechanics is, of course, take the blades and the head off, and then I'll need to take this piece off right here, and then the tail boom comes off right here, and then this piece right here comes off here on the doghouse, and then it's the mechanics will slide into here, and then this all fits back in. You have to secure it in, and then the real fun starts. But there you go. All right, we're getting closer. All right, so let's get an up close look. The ESC is beeping because it's letting me know that it's not going here, but it's a 12S system. I've got the everything set up here on this little. I took a shelf that I had made and just cut it in half and then mounted it on here using the Bavarian Demon. I've got a Spektrum receiver. It's my Castle 160 ESC. I'm using an Egodrift 4230 520, and then I'm using the servos that were recommended from the Motion RC website. There we go. Curve for the throttle right now. Have very light winds right now. And do a slow spool up, looking for any vibrations. Any funny noises or anything? Any shakes? Let's do a lift off. Looks good. Well, we got a ground effect. Get it back over here. Well, I don't want to do too much with it in my backyard, but I'm gonna raise it up a little bit. I want to look at the blade tracking. Looks pretty good. Yeah, so I lost tracking on my camera, but I'll bring it back up and try another landing so you can see it. I don't want to push my luck, but yeah, that's this maiden little flight on the mechanics. The Roban UH-1D 800 size Huey.